From its first years, government in Soviet Union was based on the one-party rule of the communists. So as we have said, we have known before that Russia talaga is the biggest country, also the founder of the communism. That is why it led to the Cold War between America because of this ideology nila. Okay. Yeah. From its first years, government in the Soviet Union was based on the one party, that is communist, as the Bolshevik called themselves, beginning in March 1918. However, by the late 1980s, with the weaknesses of its economic and political structure becoming acute, the communist leaders embarked on major reforms which led to the collapse of the Soviet Union. So before na sa history ko ano siya USSR.